Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm dropping the best Kittl promo codes and discounts for 2025, including the 25% off to save on your design game. Let's roll. First guys, the first one we have is Kittl25. Make sure it's all caps here. Use it at kittl.com for 25% off pro or expert plans. Apply it at a checkout and save up to $90 on annual billing. After that, also with caps, next one we have is Secret 25. So just make it without spaces or anything like that, no underscores, just Secret 25, just like the rest. So this one will snag 25% off for annual plans via joinsecret.com's Kittl deal. Perfect for locking in long-term savings. And guys, the last one I have for you is Founder Pass. Just, all caps, Founder Pass. Gives new users a 14-day trial plus 33% off your first year. Test premium features cheap. And guys, also you can use a website like this one. For example, as you can see, Kittl worth a penny or something like that coupon. And in here you can just snag some free coupons as well. Just scroll down and grab some for yourself. Otherwise, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one with some useful stuff. See you later.